Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. My name is Opeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I believe you all are enjoying my training videos on mobile setup you can use to trade successfully. If you have missed some of my videos, kindly come to my channel and watch some of them. Okay, quickly we will be going back to today's training. Let's check out what we have today. Today we will be looking at best mobile setup for boom and crash big trading capital. That is, this is meant for those that are having large capital. If you're having large capital and you want to trade without problem, and you want to trade easily without problem, you want to hit up your it's your target, your daily target, easily without any delay at all, then you need to watch this video to the end. You need to watch this video to the end. And if you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably want to know more about any of my indicators, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now. You can easily you can get access to me easily via my WhatsApp, and you can also join my Telegram channel in order to download some of my freebies. My Telegram link is the one below my email. You will also find all this in my description box below this video. Okay, I want you to remember something. This training or this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. This is Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through this platform, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there. Make sure you practice well on your demo account before you go live on your real account. Practice and perfect your skill on your demo account before you go live on your real account. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share it with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video, click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, this is my work. I do this every day. I upload a new training video that can teach you different strategies on how to trade and milk the market successfully, and you won't be notified if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. So click the subscription button and also click the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So quickly, let's jump into today's training. But before going fully into it, we will be doing the market analysis today. We will be looking at what is happening in the market at the moment so that you guys will know what to look out for today. Okay, quickly, I'm using the crusher indicator. This is how the setup of the crusher indicator looks like. Actually, the crusher indicator is coming with the arrow and the histogram, but this dashboard and the line here belongs to PZ Super Trend, so I'm using it to know the trend of the market. So this is how it works. The first thing you need to look out for is to get the arrow sign, and once you get the arrow sign, then you confirm it from the indicator window here. So that is how it is used to trade. And remember, your indicator window by default comes with green color for downtrend, red color for uptrend, but I have swapped mine to green color for uptrend and red color for downtrend because that is what I'm used to and I love it that way. So you can do yours too like that in order to do your analysis very well if you are getting confused with the default setting. Okay, that is how it goes. So let's see what is happening in the market at the moment. Let's see what is happening in the market at the moment. Okay, as we can see, sorry, let me quickly do this. As we can see from the early hour of today, the market has been a bit stabilized, going up and down. You can see when it's consolidated around here and finally got to the major support level again, and it was unable to break it, and you can see it jumping up and breaking off from this consolidating area, and you can see it moving up to this level. And when it got to a major resistance level, you can see it coming down. It came down for a while, spiked a bit, came down again, spiked, gave us two spikes, and came down again. So this time around, it's that same support level again, the first one that it got to here before going back up. It got to that level again and was unable to break it, and this time around went back up again before coming down and going back up again. So it's been favorable for both buyer and seller. So if you do your analysis very well, either you're a buyer or you're a seller, I'm very sure you're going to make your money from it. I'm very sure you're going to make your money from it. I don't know the indicator you are using, but this is the crusher indicator. If I were you, if I'm to sell, I'm going to come in after getting a sell signal, then I'll wait for it to be confirmed here, and once it is confirmed, then I can come in. So I can come in here because it is coming in from green. You can see the green to red, so I can come in there and trade for a while. You can see this is giving me 14-minute candles, so you exit the market at the next support level, or once you see the exit arrow popping out. So this is another opportunity. There is an invisible spike here. We got a sell signal here already. We are within the sell region, so I don't need to waste time. It is confirmed already, so I just troll in. Already, I expect you to exit the market here because it is around a support level again, and this is giving us 13-minute candles. And remember, this support level was difficult to break. It's been tested several times, so we need to be very careful around here. So I expect you to exit the market. The exit arrow is yet to come out, but it is better you exit the market around here and wait for it to be broken before you jump into the market again. So let's check the other assets. Okay, we'll be looking at boom 1000. We'll be looking at boom 1000. I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, already you can see the market got broken out. The support region got broken from here, and the market broke out from here, and you can see it's been going up, came down a bit, spiked again. Probably by the time it is getting to this blue line again, you will see it spiking up again if it is unable to break the blue line. But if it breaks it, you see it coming down a bit. So that is how it works. You can see that at the moment, boom 1000 is an uptrend at the moment. But for those that love selling, I believe you must have gotten your share from here. You can see this is amazing. This is giving you 21-minute candles, so that is cool enough. Let's check out crash 1000. Remember, you shouldn't expect the trade to be the market to be going in one direction from morning till evening. It will always bounce back because someone out there is also trading the other direction, so someone is also looking out for it to go the other way around too. So you shouldn't expect it in your own direction all throughout the day. So that is why I always tell you to have a map, have a strategy you are following, have the right tools and the right knowledge of the market, and also have a daily target, a realistic daily target mapped out for yourself. So once achieved, then forget about how juicy the market is. What if you are now involved in the you've been caught up in the market later on in the day, and all the profits you've made from money till that particular time will now be taken away from you. So you need to be very careful. We are all in the market together. If you are buying crash, someone is selling it. So be very careful with the way you trade. Always most especially if you're a newbie, always have a plan at hand. If you don't have a plan, then you need that. It is not about making the money alone. If you don't know how to manage the money, how to manage your business, then you won't be able to keep the money you are making. Okay, for crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for that. Already we can see that crash 1000 has been on uptrend, so this is favorable for those that are buying crash 1000, that loves buying in crash. Then you should have made a lot of money from the market. But for those that love selling too, I think the market is a bit balanced. There are some areas whereby you should have made your money too, because all you just need to do is just to target the major support level. For those that loves buying, I believe you should have benefited from this uptrend. That is why I usually tell you that if I were to come in here, I will come in here, then be in the market to this level. That is 17 minutes candles, and after that little crash, I can come in again because I still have my green region here. It crashed a bit here, quick turn it to gray, so I should exit here, which is leaving me to 6 minutes candles after the little crash. Then it's turned back to green again after breaking the resistance level. Then I can be in the market till I see the red arrow popping out. That is 34 minutes candle. So this is amazing. So for those that love buying, you should have benefited from it. That is why I always tell you that I love trading very early in the morning. It seems the market is always sweet and juicy around that period. That is Nigerian time, around that period, or West African time. So you can see this region, it is the consolidating area. So I believe those that love selling can also milk the market from here. And while they are trying to milk the market from here, you can see it broke out here, which will give them a huge profit. So they can easily milk the market from here, and also got more opportunity to milk the market here too. So at the moment, I believe crash 1000 is a bit stabilized, but I think it is favoring those that are buying than those that are selling. But even at that point, I believe if you target the major resistance level, you should be able to milk the market successfully. But it seems it's going to go on more of uptrend than downtrend today. So from what the market is showing us here, so let's check out crash 500. Let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 is also on uptrend. It's been on downtrend for a while, but at the moment it is on uptrend. So these are some of the things you can benefit from successfully. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis. So we'll be heading onto the mobile platform to see the best mobile setup for boom and crash, for trading boom and crash, most especially if you are using big trading capital. I'll be coming up with more mobile setup that you can make use of. All you just need to do is to make sure you stay glued to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Remember, this training is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and my name is Samuel Opeola. If you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or you want to know more about my trading tools, any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now. Okay, let's head on to the mobile setup right away. Quickly, before heading on to the mobile setup, I would like to let you know that this strategy I'm about to share with you is basically favorable for the large for those with large capital, those with small capital can also try it out, but you need to manage your time very well. You don't need to stay very long the way the large capital will stay, and you don't need to use big lot size the way they will use, because you are just growing your trading capital. But it will help you to know when to come into the market and when to exit the market. So before going to the mobile platform, I want to share something with you here so that you get to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, let's say you are the type that is having $5,000 in your trading capital. Oh, you guys were surprised. $5,000. Yeah, we have traders with $5,000. We've got traders with $10,000. We have even seen a trader with $30,000. I've seen a lot of offers like this. So we have people that are having large capital, as large as this is. So this plan is actually meant for them if they follow through. Actually, with 5,000 trading capital, you can, if your broker allow you, you can use as much as, for boom and crash, you can use as much as 150 lot size. But most brokers will not allow you to do that, but at least you can still use over 50.0 lot size to trade successfully as your maximum lot size for this particular trading capital. But this is what I usually do. This actually helped me to grow my trading capital a number of times. It's helped me to grow my this strategy helped me to grow my trading capital. So if you should listen very well, you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I put it here. I try to break it down a bit. I put it here that let's say you are using 10.00 lot size and you are picking 5 minutes using the strategy I will be sharing with you on my mobile platform. That means you will be earning $50 if you are trading 500 indices. You'll be earning $50, approximately $50 per trading session. If you are using what is it called, 1,000 indices, then you will be earning $25 per trading session. So this is how it works. So a number of times I've used this, and in most cases, once I notice that I've gotten to that level which I can come in with the strategy, this is what I do. I can use 10 lot size and open like 3 orders. I'm not asking you to do that. I'm not asking you to use this big lot size if you don't know how to trade very well. Even if you're having a big capital, it is still easy for you to wipe off your account. So this is what I'm trying to say. I open like 3 of it, and instead of me using 5 minutes, I can decide to use 4 minutes to reduce the risk. 4 minutes, and at the end of the day I get $40 on each. That is like giving me $120 at the end of the day. And if I should do that 10 times in a day, I get $1,200. So this is unique, this is pure, and I love it. It helps me to grow my trading capital quickly. Can you imagine? Let's even do this. Let's say you decide to go with the plan on the screen presently. Okay, let's say you make an average of $350 per day. $350 per day. Let's say you're unable to make $500 at the end of the day. Let me tell you something. Using this, it is very easy. It is not until you grow your trading capital to a reasonable level you will know how easy it is to trade. It is very easy to make so much money using a big trading capital, because with little effort you earn so much money compared to what you have to face in order to earn a little amount of money if you are using a small trading capital. That is why those with huge capital will always show you different screenshots of their results making so much money. Sometimes even when I'm caught up in the market, let's say let's say I'm using 5.0 and I'm very sure that I'm in the right direction. Even when I'm caught up in the market by a spike, I will have to leave my trade open till it gets to my take profit, because I'm very sure of the direction of the market. I'm very sure that I'm in the right track, and I have enough trading capital to cover up for whatever that is happening in the market at that particular time. So my mind is at rest, and I'm very sure and confident that it will definitely get back to my take profit. So that is how easy it is for those that are using large capital to trade. Okay, but that is if you are also using a reasonable lot size, and also using, trading alongside with the trend of the market. If you are not trading alongside with the trend of the market, you can also blow up your large capital, although it is difficult to experience that. Okay, that is if you follow the rules. So let me quickly do the calculation. Okay, let's say you decide to do this, you were able to make $350 consistently, $350 per day consistently. Let's say you do that for 7 days or for 6 days. So let's multiply it by 6 times 6. Sorry, times 6. Let's multiply it by 6. Okay, that should give you what? 350 times 6. Let's do the calculation. 350 times 6. So that is $2,100 pure profit. Can you imagine that? So it is very easy to achieve this $2,100 pure profit. So if you are not the greedy type, you will definitely achieve this easily. If you are the greedy type, that is when you stay hooked in the market for a very long time. So you can easily achieve this easily without stress. You can even achieve this, your daily target of $350 per day within 30 minutes or an hour, if you are very sure of the market, and if you are following the strategy I'm going to be showing you on the mobile setup right now. So let's head on to the mobile setup right now. We are on to the mobile setup. Okay, if you missed my last video, I would advise you to watch it right now, because I explained how you can do this setup there successfully. So, but in case, let me just show you what I have on the screen. Okay, the main chart is having EMA9. You can see the setup here, while the indicator window is having RSI. The setup is here. Then the moving average is also EMA9, and also the second moving average is EMA20. So these are the setup I have on the charts. So I explained to you how you can use it to trade 5 minutes per trading session in my last video, but today I will be sharing with you how you can use it to trade for a very long time. So if you missed my last video, kindly go back to my video, to the channel, to watch that video, so that you will understand how to go about it. Most especially if you are the type with small capital, you can easily do that. So let's check out day one. On day one, each of the candles here, let me just close them, close the trend lines, so that we will get to see what we have on ground. Okay, for day one, this will help those with large capital to trade successfully, even with confidence, because in day one, that does not mean there won't be spike happening in between, but with this strategy and your trading capital, you will be in huge profit at the end of the day. So let's see. All you need to, this is crash. So all you need to do is to come in each time the lines are on 10 and they crossed each other, from, that is, the green line cross the red line from below upward. So you can see this is where I expect it to come in. Let me close some of these things. I don't know why I have them so much on the screen, so that we will get to see what I am explaining very well. You can also use this strategy to trade spikes, most especially if you are with large capital. You can use it to trade spike. You can see they crossed each other here, and you can see this green candle on this particular day. You can see this green candle on this particular day, so you can easily milk the market during that period. So let's see more. Sometimes you might not get it easily on day one because it has to do with a daily time frame, so you can trade here too easily. And the good thing about this is this can go on for like days. It can go on for like days, so you can do it today and try the same strategy tomorrow and try it, because it is already oversold already. You can see it is already oversold. Then it should go back up for a while, so this can take weeks before it gets back to the normal level. Of course, you need to be careful about the market so that you understand the way it works. So you can also use it to trade spike. If it is on 90, for instance, here you can see it's on 90 here, and check it out here, and that is when it is crashing repeatedly, and that is so you coming in on a single candle that day can make you a lot of money at the end of the day. So this is very good for those that are having large capital. It is very good for those that are having large capital. So I'm going to take it downward a bit. Let's go to H4. Let's go to H4, which is 4 hours time frame. You can do this within 4 hours too. So check out here, they crossed each other here. Can you see it here? They crossed each other here, so you can come in here and trade on that 4-hour candle, and trade on that 4-hour candle. Then you can use that candle to maximize enough profit for yourself. If you do your calculation very well, you will be able to achieve your goal easily. You can also do the same thing by trading spikes too. You can see it. You can utilize that 4-hour candle around there and milk the market successfully. Of course, you can see it going down because it is overbought already, and that is why it is going down. When it is oversold, you see it going up. Even if it will not get to the to 90, at least it should get to 50 or almost 50. So that is amazing. So let's see more opportunities. Check out these also. Check out this. Of course, it came down from here. You can see it here. So if you want to trade spike, that is the best way to go about it. You can see it spiking periodically. This takes more than a week going on downtrend. So if you're having large capital, you should be in so much money at the end of this trading journey. Then check out here also. Check out here for those that love buying. You can see, so this is amazing. So all you just need to do is just to practice this very well before you go live with it. Make sure you understand it. You can also, let's say you don't want to wait for so long, or probably you're not getting the right signal from H4 at that particular time, you can go to H1. H1 can give you the quick signal at the end of the day. So this one has to do with 1 hour time frame, so you can see it going up and up here to this level. So this is amazing. Of course, it got to 90 here. You can see it at 90 here. That is why it gave us a little spike, went back to that 90 again, and it's still going to give us another spike again. So it's still going to crash down again around there. So that is how it works. You can always do that. You can always do that and milk the market in a great way. So this is how you can apply it. You can map your strategy out based on this you can map your trading journey out based on this strategy, and try to see how you can hit up your daily target at the end of the day. This is how pros usually trade, so you too can trade like this using this setup. Okay, I'll be stopping here for now. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Samuel Opeola. I'm a courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and my name is Samuel Opeola. If you love this video, kindly share with families and friends, and do not forget to give me thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Remember, this is not the end of the best mobile setup. I will be showing you more mobile setup that can help you to milk the market successfully. So thank you and God bless you. You can see, okay, quickly before doing that, I told you before I was stopping this video, I told you it's going to spike any moment from, it's going to crash any moment from now. You can see because it is on 90 already, it just crashed. It just crashed. So that is how it works. And remember, this is 1 hour time frame. This is H1 1 hour time frame, right? Am I right? Let me check. 1 hour time frame. So I'll be stopping that. I will be stopping this video on that note. Thank you and God bless you.